Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to post a shorts video to your YouTube channel using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a video that was recorded either using an iPhone or a Mac computer and then exported in the form of a shorts video as well as an account for YouTube. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once it does load, and now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Create, Upload Videos, select a file or drag and drop from the folder that has the video located in. So currently on the desktop we have a video that was recorded on the iPhone and then edited on the Mac as part of the shorts video. So we can now take this, drag and drop onto files to upload, and it gives us the message. It looks like you're uploading a short. All shorts are automatically considered for shorts ad revenue sharing. That's fine. Now let's edit the details of the video. So the title is Post a Tweet to the X application on iPhone. We can say the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hashtag shorts. I would then copy that title, paste that into the description. And then insert some of the other hashtags that I've been using on all my previous videos. Scroll down to thumbnail. For now, you can't change the thumbnail on your shorts. Maybe that's something for the future the platform could consider. Let's now add this to a playlist. Shorts 1, Shorts 2, done. And then we tick what we think is viable for that section of the audience. Go to show more. No, we are not using altered content such as artificial intelligence or generates scenes that make it look like it's realistic. This is all original content created by myself. Let's now go to tags. Shorts hashtag. YouTube Shorts. How to use the X application on iPhone. Scroll to the bottom. Education, activity, level, beginner. Click on next. And then we need to review the ad suitability. So as we know, this channel is all about education and therefore we can click on none of the above, submit the ratings. As we know, this is safe for advertising. Next. This will then go through a check for copyright or ad suitability. Click on next. And now what we can do is make this video scheduled to be uploaded at, let's just say 11:15 for today. Before we click on schedule, as we can see, we have a message that says disabled as some form fields have errors. So we are now just waiting. Once those checks have been completed, we then receive the message that says no issues found. We can now schedule. Click on close, go to content, go to shorts. This video is now scheduled to be uploaded today in 6 minutes time, but we will publish the video itself. Make this public now. Go back to dashboard, right click, reload the page. And there we have that video that says post a tweet to the X application on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That should say Pro Max, not Pro Mac. Let's now change that error within the title and description. Click on save to make those changes. And there we go. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.